When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency of your Dallas home, choosing the right door for installation is one of the most impactful decisions you'll make. Whether you're replacing an old door or building a new home, selecting the perfect door material and style is crucial for ensuring both aesthetics and functionality. With so many options available, it can feel overwhelming to determine which door is right for your home. In this article, we'll walk you through the essential considerations for choosing the right door in Dallas, focusing on the various materials and styles that can suit your home's unique needs. Selecting the right material for your Dallas door. The material of your door plays a significant role in security, durability, maintenance, and energy efficiency. Here's a breakdown of the most popular door materials and how they perform in the Dallas climate. Wooden doors. Classic elegance with timeless appeal. Wooden doors are a classic choice that exudes charm and elegance. They can be customized in a variety of finishes and stains, offering a traditional look that complements many architectural styles, from colonial to craftsman. Wooden doors are perfect for homeowners who want a natural, rustic appeal or are looking to make a statement with a beautiful, detailed entryway. Pros: attractive, versatile, and customizable. Great for creating an inviting, high-end entrance. Cons: requires regular maintenance, such as sealing and refinishing, especially in humid or rainy conditions common in Dallas. Ideal for homeowners seeking a traditional or custom look, who are willing to maintain the door. Steel doors. Durability and security. If security and durability are your top priorities, steel doors offer an excellent solution. Steel is incredibly strong and provides superior protection against forced entry. Additionally, modern steel doors often come with insulated cores, making them energy efficient by keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Pros: strong, secure, energy efficient, and low maintenance. Cons: can dent easily, especially if the finish is scratched. Not as customizable as wood. Ideal for homeowners looking for enhanced security and energy efficiency, and who prefer minimal upkeep. Fiberglass doors. Low maintenance and versatile. Fiberglass doors are a popular choice due to their versatility, durability, and low maintenance qualities. These doors can mimic the look of wood but are more resistant to the elements, making them a great option for Dallas homeowners dealing with the extreme summer heat or occasional storms. Pros: resistant to warping, cracking, or rotting. Low maintenance and energy efficient. Cons: limited customization compared to wood. Ideal for homeowners who want the look of wood but with less maintenance and better weather resistance. Vinyl doors. Affordable and practical. Vinyl doors are an affordable and practical option for homeowners looking to get the job done without breaking the bank. While not as elegant as wood or fiberglass, vinyl doors offer decent insulation and are resistant to the elements, making them ideal for budget-conscious buyers. Pros: affordable, energy efficient, and resistant to rot. Cons: limited design options, and they may not offer the same aesthetic appeal as other materials. Ideal for homeowners on a budget or for secondary entryways like garages or back doors. Choosing the right style for your home. Once you've selected your door material, the next step is deciding on the style that best suits your home. The door style not only affects the look of your entryway but also impacts how much light and privacy you want. Traditional styles. Timeless elegance. If your home has a more traditional look, you may want to consider panel doors, which are characterized by rectangular panels that can be solid or partially glazed with glass inserts. These doors are popular for both entry doors and interior doors, offering a classic, elegant appearance that complements colonial, Victorian, and craftsman-style homes. Features: clean lines, customizable panels, glass inserts, and detailed finishes. Best for traditional homes or homeowners who appreciate detailed craftsmanship. Modern styles. Sleek and simple. For a more contemporary home in Dallas, sleek and minimalist designs such as flush doors or glass panel doors can make a bold statement. These doors often feature large glass panels or frosted glass, allowing plenty of natural light to flood the entryway while maintaining privacy. Features: clean, simple lines with lots of glass, creating a modern and open aesthetic. Best for contemporary homes or those looking to make a modern statement with clean lines and minimalism. Craftsman styles. Character and charm. The craftsman door style is characterized by natural wood, detailed paneling, and often incorporates stained glass accents. These doors are ideal for creating a cozy, welcoming atmosphere while adding character to your entryway. The craftsman look works well with bungalows and other homes designed with artisanal touches. Features: exposed wood, handcrafted details, and glass accents. Best for homes with a craftsman or artisan style, or homeowners who want to add a cozy, classic touch to their entryway. French doors. Elegant and versatile. For homes that open onto a patio or garden, French doors offer an elegant and timeless option. These double doors typically feature large glass panes and can swing open to create a seamless transition between the indoors and outdoors. French doors are a popular choice for back doors, balconies, or any area where natural light and airflow are a priority. Features: double doors with large glass panes, perfect for creating a connection with the outdoors. Best for homes with patios, gardens, or backyards, or those who want to increase natural light flow. Energy efficiency and security features. When choosing a door for installation in Dallas, always consider energy efficiency and security features. Look for doors with insulated cores, weather stripping, and multi-point locking systems. These features will not only help regulate your home's temperature but also provide additional security and peace of mind. Conclusion: choosing the right door for your Dallas home involves considering both material and style to match your aesthetic preferences, functional needs, and the climate. Whether you select a wooden door for classic elegance, a steel door for enhanced security, or a fiberglass door for minimal upkeep, it's essential to choose one that balances durability, performance, and style. With the right door, you'll improve your home's curb appeal, enhance energy efficiency, and create a welcoming entryway that suits your lifestyle. So, take the time to choose a door that complements your home's unique charm and enjoy the long-lasting benefits it brings.